Maximize your rewards with Crypto.com referral code promopros. In the evolving world of cryptocurrency, Crypto.com stands out as a comprehensive platform for users ranging from beginners to seasoned investors. With features like crypto buying and selling, a Visa crypto card, staking, and various financial services, Crypto.com makes it easy for anyone to engage with the crypto market. What is Crypto.com? Crypto.com is a leading cryptocurrency financial services platform where users can buy, sell, and store over 250 different cryptocurrencies. With its user-friendly app, Crypto.com opens up a world of investment opportunities in the ever-growing digital currency space. Benefits of using the referral code promopros. When you sign up for a new account on Crypto.com and use the referral code promopros, you have the chance to earn up to $50 USD in rewards. The referral code not only helps you save on transaction fees but also grants access to premium features and exclusive rewards on the platform. How to use the referral code promopros. Download the Crypto.com app from the App Store or Google Play. Sign up for a new account and verify your identity. When prompted, enter the referral code promopros to unlock your bonus. Deposit funds and start exploring the world of cryptocurrency with added benefits and special rewards. Low transaction fees. Crypto.com offers competitive fees, helping you save on every transaction. Visa crypto card. Spend your crypto anywhere Visa is accepted, and enjoy cashback rewards of up to 8%. Earn interest. Get annual interest rates of up to 14% by staking your crypto on the platform. Wide support. Trade over 250 plus cryptocurrencies with a platform that offers top-tier security and protection. Crypto.com isn't just a platform for cryptocurrency trading, it's a full financial solution. Don't miss the opportunity to use the promopros referral code to enhance your experience and earn extra rewards as you dive into the world of digital currencies.